24 na armas ang nakumpiska at isinuko sa Cotabato City Police mula 12 ng Enero hanggang 12 ng Pebrero sa pinaigting na kampanya kontra loose firearms kung saan 4 ang arestado. 23 na wanted persons naman ang napasakamay ng CCPO mula sa 23 police operations. Idetalye mo, Joelyn de la Cruz.
Sa pinaigting na kampanya ng Cotabato City Police Office laban sa loose firearms, 24 na mga armas ang nakumpiska at isinuko sa CCPO mula January 12 hanggang February 12, 2025. Ito ang sinabi ni Cotabato City Police Director Police Colonel Jibin Bungkayaw. 4 naman ang arestado.
For our accomplishment in loose firearms, from January 1 to date, we have a total of 24 operations. 12 in January and 12 in February, we had able to arrest 4 person in violation of RA 10591 with a total of 24 assorted firearms confiscated and surrendered. 4 confiscated and 20 had surrendered.
Sa 23 police operation ng CCPO mula Enero nitong taon, 23 wanted persons ang napasakamay ng otoridad.
The Cotabato City Police Office had able to account 23 wanted person. 23 wanted person broken down as arrested, already died or dismissed. We have 17 arrested, 5 already dead and 1 dismissed.
Dagdag ng opisyal, mayroong 32 outposts sa syudad sa kasalukuyan. Patuloy din ang pagpapaigting ng police facility sa syudad.